I can't believe I was just gonna go to the gym today. I just decided, you know what? I wanna go for a hike. That sounds like fun. It's a beautiful day. Cross this little river and continue the trail that way, but look how beautiful. Lots of cute little hobbit and fairy homes. And yeah, I've always just loved like taking walks in nature and in the woods in particular with the trees. And if it's near or has a body of water in it, even better. But yeah, I thought I would take some time today to do some mindful walking and meditation. Just be in my element. For those of my babes who are into astrology, I'm a Gemini sun, and if you couldn't tell that I was a Gemini sun, it's probably because I have a stellium in Taurus. Hold on, look at this cute little bridge. So for the longest time, I thought I was a Cancer rising. Turns out I'm not. Had my birth time wrong at the time, but I am actually a Taurus rising and a Taurus moon, as well as, let me see if I can get this. As well as a Cancer Venus and a Taurus Mars. So, yeah, that's my stellium and Taurus and my Venus and the sun sign. I just love how this trail, like, how this park offers so many options. Little different trails to go through. There are these really interesting, like, black and white birds walking around. They kind of look like mini turkeys. See if I can catch one on camera. Thank goodness I have the map on in the background, because look, there's a trail that goes this way and continues up, or you can turn, go this way. Actually, I think this is how I originally came. So I turned up this sharp hill. Goodness. And this thing goes on forever. Just some thoughts while on this mindful meditation walk. I'd like to speak on the importance of meditation in my life. And oh look, this is like opened up to like a road now. I don't know if I want to walk on the road, but we're gonna. So I think I'm gonna turn around because I don't think that actually leads deeper into the preserve. But anyway, I'm out of breath, sorry guys. Speaking on the importance of meditation in my life, something that it has offered me always is just an opportunity to be compassionate and show myself some level of empathy. And it also gives me the space to accept myself where I'm at and kind of like be able to reflect. You know, because like day-to-day things, tasks, and you know, just stuff gets in the way of being able to really deeply be introspective. So meditation, kind of like blogging in a way, video journaling, also gives me like the opportunity in the space to just reflect and accept. Reflect and accept. And that's all, folks. we're about to enjoy our hard-earned seat right here. Yes. Wanted a workout hike, and I got one. Cheers. Look, I'm headed somewhere, y'all. I made it to the bench. This is called the moller bench, I believe. And holy shit, y'all. What a fucking hike it was up here, but this view, worth it. Straight, steep ass shot up. As you can see, it just... And that's the end of the trail, y'all. It ends on this road next to some private property. There's signs everywhere saying like the trail is open to hikers, but you can stay on the trail. But it looks like you do have to walk on the road in this development to some degree, or like the sidewalks. So not exactly on the road, but that was a nice. Oh, another lizard. That was a nice, scenic, beautiful little trail, little hike trail.